Hello, namaste, my friends. Welcome to this money manifesting energy session and meditation. So this is going to be a threefold session. It's going to be 10 minutes long. We're going to work on your mental body, aligning your mindset, your intentions, your subconscious mind, an emotional level by making sure that we have that emotional foundation that we need, and an energetic level. So my name is Rachel. I'm an energy healer. If you would like a more extensive version of this or a personal session, all the information is below. What I'm going to be doing is flowing high vibrational energy to you. It's going to help you relax. It's going to help you, more importantly, align with these intentions from the inside. First, I'm sending energy to you so that we can get your vibration in a space that aligns with the abundance that you seek, and then we take that energy and we expand it out. So all you have to do is get comfortable, set the intention that you're open and receptive, and just listen along for 10 minutes. So just going to set my little timer, because sometimes when I get into these energy sessions, I lose track of time. I know that we don't have all day. So lie down and just begin to breathe. Your breath is your most powerful tool. You can take as much breath as you need. You can take a shallow breath, or you can take a deep breath, deep into your stomach. It is up to you. The energy that makes this air, this oxygen readily available to you is the same divine energy of abundance. So let's prepare ourselves by taking full, deep breaths into our stomach, giving our body all of the nourishing oxygen that it needs, and then exhaling it back into the universe with gratitude. As you do this, I'm just doing some sacred Reiki symbols. This helps me connect with your energy. It helps to protect your energy field. Just focus on your breath. Being open and receptive to this energy, an unlimited source of love and peace and joy, abundance and prosperity is always available to you if you open up. I want you to think of your intention. Think of what you want to call in. What does abundance mean to you? Think of yourself living this abundant life. Visualize it in your mind's eye. We begin with the mental. Helping you align with your truest desires and also with the highest and best good for everyone involved. Now is the time, with this mental picture, to do some emotional work. I want you to allow yourself to feel how you naturally feel about abundance. What comes up for you? You might feel it in your body in terms of tightness, nervousness. You might get thoughts of doubt or fear or not being good enough. Recognize where you are, what you are currently experiencing. This builds the foundation. Once we can recognize what is here, then we can integrate it and call in higher vibrational emotions. Can you step further into anything that you're feeling, any sort of tightness or blockages? Can you step into it with kindness to yourself, not resisting it, with love? Allow it to come up. It comes up, it passes through. Something else comes up, it passes through. This is the integration process occurring. This is the number one step that most of us miss when using law of attraction or manifesting techniques. Be with yourself right now with loving kindness. Take a deep breath in, wrap any doubts or fears or anything you experienced in that love and light. Exhale, release, integrate. And now use your mind to call in the emotions of feeling prosperous, of feeling abundant. What would that make you feel? So we're slowly integrating the old and calling in the new, and this is how you shift your vibration. Call in that feeling of security. Feel it in your entire body. Of joy. Being able to do what you truly want to do. Call in the feeling of relaxation and peace. There's no more worrying about money or finances. You have everything you need and you always will. Now holding on to these feelings. If you're not doing so already, bring back the visualization of what you want to call in as if it is currently happening now. We're going to align you, your feelings, your mental thoughts. We're aligning it now energetically with the vibration of abundance and prosperity. So imagine it expanding past you. Your aura is getting bigger and bigger. Your energy field is getting bigger and bigger. And what are you calling into it? What are you attracting into it? Like a magnet, only good, only prosperity, only wealth, and love. Always for the highest and best good. Now take a deep breath in, deep abundant breath in. Exhale, and now detach. Let this go and state to yourself, I trust. I allow. I open up to guidance. And once you detach, then all you have to do is be open to receive. So feel yourself back in your body, in the location that you're at right now. How different do you feel than when you first started this? This is the vibration of abundance. This is something that you can call into yourself, that you can raise your own vibration to all throughout the day. So energetically, I'm just going to wipe off your field, your aura field, of anything that you may have released, any of those old emotions, wiping mine off. Disconnecting from your energy, so be it, and so it is. Thank you so much, and let's give thanks to the universe, any other higher beings, anyone you want to give thanks to. All right. I know that this will help you moving forward. Please listen to it every day, as often as you need. And if you want a more extensive session, see the links below.